Good morning, dear students. Myself is Deepti from Dips Scrollbag. In today's lecture, we are going to revise the back exercise of History Chapter 7, The Revolt of 1857. First of all is Part A, say the answer. When did the Great Armed Uprising take place against British rule in India? Answer is in 1857, the Great Armed Uprising take place against British rule in India. Question number 2. Whom did the mutinous troop of Meerut proclaim as the Emperor of India? Bahadur Shah Jafar, the Mughal emperor, was proclaimed as Emperor of India by the mutinous troop of Meerut. Question number 3. Where did Rani Lakshmibai breathe her last? Answer is Rani Lakshmibai breathed her last at Phool Bagh of Gwalior. Question number 4. When was Enfield rifle introduced in Indian Army? Answer is in 1858 the Enfield rifle was introduced in Indian Army. Question number 5. When was Queen Victoria's proclamation passed? Answer is in 1858 the Queen Victoria's proclamation was passed. Sixth is Nana Sahib led the troops in dash Kanpur. Nizam supported the British. Part B is MCQs. The revolt of 1857 was called spy immunity by A. British, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Sir John Lawrence, D. W.C. Banerjee. Correct answer is A. British. MCQ number 2 is the Enfield rifle was introduced in the army in option A 1859, B 1858, C 1857, D 1856. Correct answer is D 1856. MCQ third is which state was annexed under the doctrine of lapse? A. Jhansi, B. Meerut, C. Awadh, D. Bengal. Correct answer is A. Jhansi. Fourth is the revolt of 1857 is in the central India was led by A. Nana Sahib, B. Kunwar Singh, C. Tantia Tope, D. Lakshmibai. Correct answer is B. Kunwar Singh. MCQ 5 is Bahadur Shah Jafar II was deported to A. Dhaka, B. Rangoon, C. Nepal, D. Bhutan. Correct answer is B. Rangoon. Sixth is the revolt of 1857 started from A. Meerut, B. Mathura, C. Jhansi, D. Awadh. Correct answer is A. Meerut. Option C is fill in the blanks. First is Dash was the ruler of Kanpur, Nana Sahib. Second is Dash is known for her courage and bravery. Answer is Rani Lakshmibai. Third, Nana Sahib fled to Dash. Answer is Nepal. 4. Jhansi joined with Dash to attack British. Answer is Tantia Tope. 5th, the Dash was immediate cause of the revolt. The introduction of Enfield rifle cartridge. 6th, Dash started the revolt in Barakpur. Answer is Mangal Pandey. D parties match the column. Kanpur, Nana Sahib, Lucknow, Kunwar Singh, Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai, Barakpur, Mangal Pandey, Delhi, Bahadur Shah Jafar, and Awadh, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Next is the question answers. The first question and the most important question is why the revolt called the first war of independence. Answer is the revolt of 1857 1857 termed as the first war of independence because the first time Indian history different segment of Indian society stood up against a common enemy, and that was British. Question number 2 is, what was the political causes of revolt? Answer is, the political causes of revolt are following. Number 1, the expansion policies of British create distrust among the Indians ruler. Number 2, Indians were also excluded from all high civil military jobs, and they were given low wages also. Point number 3 is, the educated Indians were dissatisfied at not getting government jobs. Number 4 is, discontinuing the pension and titles to the two Indians ruler also caused discontent among the rulers. Question number 3 is, how did Greece cartilage led the revolt? Answer is, it was the immediate cause of revolt. Number 1, the Enfield rifle was introduced in the army in 1856. The cartilage was screamed with a greased and covered with caps which had to be taken off before use. Number 3, the Spy believed that the grease was made of cow and pig fat, and they refused to use them since it hurt their religious sentiments of Hindus and Muslims. Question number 4 is, name some leaders who participated in revolt. Answer is, Rani Lakshmibai, Rani Lakshmibai from Jhansi, Tantya Tope, Nana Sahib, Kuwar Singh, Begum Hazrat Mahal. These are the few leaders who participated in the revolt. Why did the revolt fail? The answer is, the causes of failure of revolt are following. Number 1, the revolt was confined to certain areas and did not spread all over India. Number 2, Indian leaders who were not organized and trained, they lack of unity and foresight. Number 3, they do not have a proper plan for revolt and start earlier than they had planned. Number 4, they use outdated weapons. Number 5, many Indian rulers and nobles like Nizam, Holkar, Sindhyas and Rajput prince were loyal to the British. And number 6, educated Indians remained loyal to the British due to their selfish intermissions. Question number 6 and most important is, what was the impact of revolt on the British and what were its result? The effect of revolt. Number 1, the British East India Company rule in India come to an end and Queen Victoria took over the administration in 1858. The Secretary of the State was appointed who replaced the Board of Directors. The Governor General was made the Viceroy and he was subordinate to the Secretary of State. The army was reorganized. Queen Victoria Proclamation was passed in 1858. According to the proclamation, the Indian prince were given the assurance that no further annexation will be made by the British. Queen also promised that there will be no interference in social and religious practice of the people. These are the back exercise and the question answer of this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.